4 cheap and easy ways to upgrade your home. First, replace the light switches, power outlets, and covers. This is something almost anyone can do, and it isn't expensive. You can get white switches and outlets at Walmart or any hardware store for a couple dollars a piece. Just shut the power off and put the wires in the new device just as they were in the old. Second, replace the blinds. You can get Fox wood blinds that look much better than the average vinyl mini blinds for about $20 a piece. Installation is quick and easy. Third, paint. Painting walls, trim, and anything else that looks old will make the entire home look drastically better. Fourth, replace the light fixtures. Light fixtures are also inexpensive and are said to be one of the most important upgrades before selling a home. Replacing ugly or outdated light fixtures is the easiest way to modernize any room. Put all 4 of these tips together and you are sure to see a night and day difference without costing an arm and a leg. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.